In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's Knife Project feature. Let's create a plane, and subdivide it 50 times in edit mode. I'll create a mesh circle as the Knife Project source mesh. Please activate Extra Objects add-on if Mesh Circle is not in your menu. We used to shift select both meshes, go to edit mode, and easily Knife Project like this in the past. But that doesn't work anymore, because Blender updated the way Knife Project works recently. To make this work, go to the target mesh's edit mode, and Control-click the source mesh like this. A lot of my tutorials in the past used the old Knife Project method, and they're not compatible with the latest version of Blender. I created this video in order to link it to the frequently asked questions page. That's one way, and another way is to convert the source mesh to a curve. Another thing to remember is how Knife Project will only create a projection of its outline, not the subdivision details within. If I knife project the subdivided plane to this mesh, only the source mesh's outline will be projected. Meaning no matter how complicated the source mesh looked, only its outline will be projected. I'll show you another example. The source mesh's subdivision details won't transfer. Only its outline will be projected. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.